Hey everyone, Rachel S. Lee here, and I'm going to make this video to show you how to connect ConvertKit to Clickfunnels and how to use ConvertKit, the email marketing software, with Clickfunnels. And I'm going to make this quick and try to go fast, and if you need to stop at any time, just stop or rewind, and I'll walk you through the process. So the reason I wanted to make this video too is because ClickFunnels, it does come with email marketing software, and it's called Actionetics. And I use Actionetics for some things, and I use the built-in ClickFunnels emails for some things, but I just prefer using ConvertKit for doing my email sequences and my email marketing and my email blasts. If you use Actionetics with ClickFunnels, you're going to be paying the $297 a month versus the $97 a month. I'm not saying don't get the $297 a month. I'm not saying don't use Actionetics, but ConvertKit is $29 a month, and some people might find it more user-friendly. You could use both. You could use it all. So I'm going to show you guys that. And the example, I'm going to screen share right now. The example I'm going to use is for an affiliate marketing funnel that I use that uses both ClickFunnels and ConvertKit, and it's a funnel where you could get commissions off ClickFunnels and ConvertKit. So I like that too. So let's look at this. I'm going to show you guys how I connected ConvertKit to this two-step. It's a one-step opt-in funnel, 2 steps. You opt in. They opt in on the first page, and we collect their email address, and I need that to go into my ConvertKit list. And then the thank you page has like duplicatable steps. So what you'll want to do first is, make sure you have a ClickFunnels account. If you want, you can use this funnel. I'll just put the share link in the video, and you can just copy this exactly and import this entire funnel into your account, and you'll get a free 14-day trial. Then you can go to ConvertKit and sign up, and that I have a link to for free 14-day trial. So here's one of the ConvertKits I like to use for some of these affiliate software marketing things. So you want to make sure that the emails are coming from an email address that is not a Gmail. So whatever domain you are using here can also be an email, a from email address. Like I have these ones coming from rachel@rachelslee.com. So to do that, this is how I suggest it. Go make a Gmail, just to have a Gmail. Then go to G Suite. G Suite, just Google G Suite, and this will help you make like an info at whatever your domain is .com, contact at whatever your domain is, and it's just $5 a month to have that, and you'll have like your own custom Gmail too. So if you send out when you send out email marketing, people can reply right back to you, and it's just more professional this way. So to connect your domain, you need to buy a domain. I'll put a link to Namecheap in here, and it's really easy to connect G Suite into Namecheap. It should be quite easy to make your new domain, and then you take that new domain and put it in here, and they'll have you confirm it. So make the domain and email address first, and then you can sign up for ConvertKit with it and have that be your from. Then what you want to do is go into your ClickFunnels, and we need to integrate this. So we go to integrations. Okay, then what we're going to do is add a new integration, put the name, Bill's ConvertKit, integration type, API, and go here. Click account info, and your API is going to be there. Copy and paste your API code, put it in here, create. Okay, I already did it for mine. So let's go back to the funnel. And now we want to edit the page. And this should already be here. The only thing you need to do, like for this example, like it's going to submit email. It's going to have the button to submit the page. Just go to settings, integrations. I'm going to remove the integration real quick. Select integration. Here's my ConvertKit. Subscribe to form. And they need to subscribe to the form, so we got to make the form. So let's go back to ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is connected to Clickfunnels. It's just not yet, the form yet isn't connected to your funnel. So create a form, click form. I always do the third one. Call it whatever you're calling your funnel, just match up the name. So you might call this one like the done for you. I'm just gonna, it's just a test. I'm gonna call it done for you 44. Save. And now let's also go to settings. I like to turn off the double opt-in, turn it off. Okay. Let's connect the form. So just refresh the list from the API. And where is my done for you 44 right here? And then connect, save. I'm not actually gonna save that because it's already in the form. Now, when people opt in here, they will start entering your form. And if your form is your list. And now what we want is this to automatically go into a sequence. So let's make that sequence. So we go to sequences, and maybe I'm adding a few extra clicks and back and forth steps. It's okay, like I'm still covering it all. The more you do this, the more you can do it in your sleep. Like you can do lots of sequences and forms and accounts and just different things. So just keep on doing it. So create a sequence. And you don't have to do new ones all the time. Like this one that I'm showing you is a really good one. Because pretty much everything is freaking done for you. Just like follow the steps. So let's match. I like to just match up the name. Done for you 44. It's just called sequence. Create sequence. Now we're gonna have to start building up. We get to start building up emails. This one, I want it to be instant. I want them to get it instantly, immediately. And then the next one, I want them to get a day later, day later, day later, day later, and then we would publish them. But I don't want to write emails because I don't like to write emails. So the good thing about this funnel is, look at this. I'll show you on this thank you page. The emails are already written for you. This is all step by step on the bigger picture of this step 5 that I'm showing you. Because in this funnel, it comes with a step 5, and that's how to set up Actionetics and emails in Actionetics. And you can actually click this one button and they all just get imported, and then it's less work. But we're doing a little different way, which is we're going to copy and paste the PDFs into ConvertKit. And it's just taking a little extra time, but we can still get commissions off of both. So let's get those PDF emails right here. Here they are. And just start copying and pasting. So just start copying and pasting all these emails. There's 8 of them. And then when you're done, well, actually, let me show you guys something. It's really important that you switch out the links. Which ones? and switch out like the name of training, call it whatever you want to call it. Mine's called the Done For You, or like the affiliate marketing, Done For You affiliate marketing thing. I'm not, you could test different names. This is what you need to do. Like here in the copy, here you might have to fix up the spacing, but here's the thing. Add your own flair to it. You know, your personality. Talk to you soon. Rachel. P.S. Join my Facebook group here. We can be like, hey, and then personalize and put their first name. So what we want to do though, says if not, click here to watch it now. So highlight it, put a link, insert a link, and that URL is going to be this URL to this page. Let's keep sending them over the days back to this page so they finish the steps. And then put this here. I like to open it in a new tab, click insert. And if you ever have to edit, click the edit button to save it. We publish it, we save all. Something that's really important is go back to your forms. Let's see. Go back to your forms. Where's that? Done For You 44. We are going to connect this. Settings. Sequence settings. Put them in this sequence. And save. So now, when people enter their email in step 1, you could try to add the name section too if you want their name and email. They enter in here. They get to go to the next page and see all those steps, but they're also going to get emails for 8 days of your sequence, reminding them to go back, reminding them to just motivating them. After the 8 days, this, I was just showing you how to set it up. Let me show you my real one. This is the one that I'm actually using. It is this one. No. It is. Okay, because I called mine, you can call it whatever you want, like put your own little domain and then little cute subdomains. So mine's ilovebeingunimployed.com/affiliate commissions. So I can quickly type it up and tell people that's what it is. But most of my traffic is coming from YouTube SEO and solo ad links anyway. Solo ad clicks, which you'll learn about in that funnel if you want to learn more. So this is how it's all like good. Like I bolded some stuff. I added, so when you're 8 days, it says day 7 out of 7, but there's the immediate one. Start adding more emails. And you could pull, like I started talking about Click Magic. I started sharing other people's trainings or extra trainings. This video I'm putting in right now, I can turn into an email and add it on here. And then you can go to your reports and see the open rates and the click rates. Oops. Okay, so if you guys have questions, oh, you know, here's another thing I want to show you. This is cool. You can, so with Clickfunnels, you get 40% commission. So if someone gets the $97 Clickfunnels from you, you'll be getting like $38 commission. But if they do get the pro, like then it's $297, so you'll get $118 a month from that. But you know, if they also decide, or whoever decides to get ConvertKit, that's $30 a month basically, and you get 30%. So it's about $9 commissions. But a lot of people, their bill's higher. Once you're over 1,000, it's $50 a month. I get ConvertKit commissions from some affiliates that people that signed up who have like thousands and thousands of people on their email list because they're like clients or partners or projects I work on, and I just set them up under my link. And those commissions are like even bigger because the bill is so high because they have so many emails. So what you want to do when you are editing your page here and switching out all your affiliate links, if you decide you want to use this thing, this really cool duplicatable thing, make sure to put your own ConvertKit affiliate link in there, or I'm going to be getting the commissions from your traffic, you know? So you could leave it if you want. So we're just going to go down here. Switch this out to Namecheap. You guys can get commissions from Namecheap. Just get commissions off all these softwares. It's really cool. So here's where you would put your ConvertKit link. Set action right in here. Open it in a new tab. I would, if I was you, you should and could and should maybe put a tracking link on this and Google search how to sign up and sign up. Okay, guys, so let me know your questions in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.